Today we're going to be looking at ticker symbol PLTR for Palantir at daily, weekly, monthly to get an understanding of where this stock will be trading in the next couple of trading days. Right now I have the daily chart open, and from this sort of price action that we've seen in the last couple of days, we can clearly see that the stock has been sort of trading in this zone right over here, where we have a little bit of a resistance at the 2430 level, which we are hoping for to retest to break out of this, and then $26 would be its next break of resistance. Overall, there is a little bit of volume coming into Palantir, and overall the trend is looking strong. ARC The ARC ETF also has a very big holding within Palantir, and we've seen its all-time high breaking out of $40 just before the March crash, and significantly coming down around 50% of its value in the last couple of weeks. So it'll be interesting to see if Palantir is able to hold these levels. If it is to break these resistance points, we can see a decline, especially if it breaks this $20 resistance. We could see this stock move lower, maybe find some resistance at around $17. But because there's not much consolidation, it's really hard to judge how low, if it is to even break this resistance, of how low this stock can really go. Right now, I expect this stock to sort of trail within these zones for the next couple of days, testing those limits that we have set at 2430, hopefully breaking out of this, forming some sort of consolidation, and then reaching its next target of $26. Currently, there isn't any much news on Palantir. At the moment, it's been pretty stagnant, but they do have a lot of military contracts from the U.S. government, and their cloud-based system seems to be very recognized. It's already been adapted within the U.S. Military, and now they have been starting to get new private companies on board using their systems, and which is the future of technology, and for businesses who want to expand in whatever areas they are in. So far, since the March crash, there has been a nice decline going downwards, and we've seen a little bit of recovery in the past few days. Nice green bars in the start of April, showing some good price action, and we've held this resistance very strongly, which is very positive. We hit this resistance point. We've hit it a few times. Around one, two, three, maybe around four times we've touched this low, and it's always seems to bounce back from this. So it is possible to say that Palantir now has maybe matured enough to consolidate within these regions until breaking out on any new good catalyst or good news, or maybe some new contracts that they might be able to get during this year. But still very positive. ARC keeps increasing their holdings within Palantir. So it will always. So the next couple of days will be very interesting to see. Obviously, we want to see this go up, and we want to see this go right up to give us a nice bullish scenario for Pltr, which is very possible. So for the next couple of trading days, again, if we zoom in right over here, just trying to get this line. All right, let's get this. Get rid of this line over here. As long as we trail between this 24 and 21 dollar region, we should be good with Palantir. If it is to break out of this 24, then we reach the next high of $26, which would be our next target point. If you are looking to open up an entry within Palantir, then you would be looking at around at these low points, $21. Even $24 last couple of days was an okay entry point, and really looking for the dips. Like that's what you have to watch for, are the dips, which is very important. So at least this is my thesis on it. I am currently holding the Palantir stock. I mistimed the dip, so I started purchasing it around $26. I think my dollar cost average came up to there, but I have been holding Palantir since its launch onto the market. My initial buying purchase price was around $12. No, I think it was a little bit lower than $12. And then my second entries, I purchased at around 26. And if it is to dip again and touch that $20 zone, I will probably have a buy entry ready for me to pick up more shares within Pltr. Hopefully this was useful to you. Make sure to like, subscribe. All right, thanks.